How to blur face in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device and after that, tap on New Project. Now you have to select the video from your device. So select your video, then tap on Add. Once you land on this edit page and you have your video in your timeline, there is a menu bar at the bottom of this interface. From there, tap on Effects. Now again, go to Video Effects. Now on the search bar, search for Blur. Here you will get various blur effects in your interface. From there, select the one at the first on the third row. And as you can see, the blur effect is applied. Then tap on Cancel. Then again tap on Tick Mark. Now you have to make sure that this blur effect is applied to your video in whole. So tap on your blur effect and then you have to drag this blur effect till the end of this video. Once you have done that, now again tap on your video. Then from this menu bar at the bottom, search for an option that says Duplicate. Once you find it out, tap on Duplicate. Now once you have your duplicate, again what you have to do is swipe this menu bar to your right and from there search for Overlay, then tap on Overlay. Now you have to drag this video all the way to the beginning to match with your previous video. So tap and then drag to the beginning of the video. Now once you're done with that, tap on this duplicate video. Then again from this menu bar, search for an option that says Mask. Once you find it out, then tap on Mask. Here you will get various options as horizontal, mirror and circle. From there, the circle will be the best. So tap on Circle. And after that again, tap on Invert. Now you can resize this frame right here with the help of your fingertip. And you can move its position as well. Once you have in the face, then tap on Tick Mark. Now if you play your video from the beginning, then you have the blur effects in the face. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.